Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to divide by x squared on numerator and denominator. So this one we have number 1. Now I want to concentrate on this one. We can use about Sweet theorem. So we know that the range of sine x that should be about from negative number 1 to positive number 1. Next, we divide both sides by x. Next, we put the limit for the both sides. So, when x approaches to positive infinity, 1 divided by positive infinity, you got 0. This one, you got 0. So, on the left and on the right, we have the same number 0. So, this one should be equals to number 0. Now, we go back in here. When x approaches to positive infinity, this one you got 0, this one you got 0, and this one you got 0. So everything in here, we have 0 plus 0 over number 1 plus 0, and we have 0. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.